If you're looking for a way to streamline and manage your travel guidelines, this quick guide on how to set travel guidelines in Navan will show you how simple it is to make this process more efficient and organized. Whether you're handling travel for a business or personal use, understanding the core features of Navan will help you optimize travel policies for your team or for yourself. Navan offers a comprehensive platform designed to help companies set clear travel guidelines that are easy to follow. Setting travel guidelines within Navan can help you manage everything from travel approvals to budget management. The software allows you to create rules that align with your company's policies, ensuring that everyone stays within budget while traveling. Once you log into Navan, the first step is setting up the structure of your travel guidelines. You'll be able to define the parameters for things like flight bookings, accommodation options, and daily allowances. This ensures that every aspect of the trip is controlled and meets your set standards, saving time and reducing unnecessary spending. Another key feature is the ability to define specific rules based on travel types. Whether it's for international trips or regional travel, you can customize the guidelines accordingly. You can also set restrictions for employees on certain types of travel, such as luxury hotels or business class flights, ensuring that your policies are always adhered to. This helps keep travel costs down while maintaining comfort. For teams that need more flexibility, Navan allows for easy adjustments to travel rules. If an employee needs to extend their trip or adjust their itinerary, you can quickly approve or deny changes within the platform. This feature keeps things running smoothly and ensures that all changes align with your guidelines. When it comes to booking, Navan also makes it easier to track and manage expenses. The software integrates seamlessly with your existing booking system, so employees can book flights, hotels, and transportation while still adhering to your guidelines. Every booking is automatically compared against your policy, ensuring compliance without extra manual work. One of the best parts about Navan is its real-time monitoring. As soon as a travel booking is made, the system will notify you if it doesn't comply with the guidelines you've set. This level of monitoring is essential for catching errors early on and avoiding costly mistakes. But the real benefit of setting travel guidelines in Navan is the ease of use. The platform is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to set and adjust travel rules without technical expertise. Plus, Navan allows you to collaborate with others, giving managers and team members access to relevant travel data and ensuring everyone is on the same page. As a digital marketer, I can tell you that the time-saving and cost-reducing benefits of Navan make it an invaluable tool. You'll be able to cut down on the back-and-forth communication, reduce errors, and maintain a strong grip on your travel budget. If you're new to Navan, you're in luck because you can try the software completely free using the first link in the description below. With our exclusive bonus, you'll also have access to an extended trial that gives you more time to explore all the features and see how it fits your travel management needs. Setting travel guidelines in Navan has never been easier. The software allows for customization, ease of use, and real-time monitoring, making it the perfect solution for both small teams and larger organizations. Remember, check the first link below for your exclusive extended trial and start optimizing your travel management today with Navan.